it's a nice press conference today. There are no French journalists. It means they know everything about our country.
I'm sorry, I'm here.
Yeah, but only one. And it's always a good sign for us. Always, if we had no journalists in Germany or Argentina or Holland, we made very, very good results. It means they underestimate our team. They are not interested to know a lot about Belarus, and that's why I'm very confident we make a good result tomorrow. Все футболисты готов. В принципе, мы готов. No, everything, the starting line-up is clear. Since 2 or 3 days, there are no questions because we had a very long preparation. But I will announce the team tomorrow, 1 hour before the match.